Alright guys, we're on to day 6. Pretty much about done with demo. Only thing I got left is this front mudroom right over there. And it's all tile, and it's gonna suck. But I think I'm gonna try to get it all done this evening, and then that's all I'm gonna do. And then take tomorrow off since tomorrow's New Year's Eve. And we'll be back probably New Year's Day and start scraping the floors and getting everything prepped and cleaned out and get it all put back together, or get ready to get put back together. So then we'll start the rebuild process. I'm gonna get the new walls framed up for the half bath and the master closet. Try to get some electrical work done and some plumbing done. And then hopefully by this weekend we'll have all the windows replaced, or at least start getting them replaced. And then yeah, we'll just go from there and keep chugging forward. So I'm gonna get started on this tile. It's gonna be great. Well, that took about a 16th of the amount of time that it took to demo that shit over there. Holy crap. Well, time to clean it up, and that's all I was really planning on doing today. Maybe I'll do something else since that only took like 20 minutes. That over there took like 8 hours. Okay, we wrapped up day 6. Didn't get a whole lot done, but made a big dusty mess. Got this area cleaned up. Got the tub completely out. All we have left to do now pretty much is just scrape the walls and prep everything, clean up all the edges, which Melissa's really good at, huh? She did this wall, it looks really pretty. Gonna get new windows in, get rid of these doors, got the front tile up. Yeah, we'll be back New Year's Day and finish everything out to where we can start rebuilding it. Yeehaw. Good night.
Good night.